This is really the boring part of the paint job. Just the sanding. Ow. Damn it. Sanding sucks. Smacking your thumb on stuff sucks. And honestly, right now, just trying not to cut myself on all this metal, which I'm sure is going to happen, and then I'm going to be like, whoa, never saw that coming. But we all saw that coming. So this is basically where I'm at this point. I'm just trying to scuff all this reddish orange junk up, and really I'm just going to be brushing and rolling the black on. I've got, well, I was going to go with neon green, and I found some Krylon spray paint. It said neon green, you know, like bold neon green. I thought, man, that's cool. I don't know, it's $8-9 a can, so I bought 3 cans of it, because you never know how good stuff's gonna cover and whatnot. And I bought it, and it was the crappiest green color I think I've ever seen. It looked like a shitty John Deere green. So really out about $30 on the green, because of course I used it thinking that if I just kept putting it on, it would look more neon, and it never did. So yeah, I wasted all that. Wound up deciding, my wife and I were out here looking at it, just trying to figure something out, because I don't want to do just a black paint job. That's boring, and I really hate this color. I don't know how it comes off on camera, but it's just garbage. It's just not good. So went ahead and decided to go with an orange, Rust-Oleum orange, and I think with the context or the contrast, it's gonna be okay. So really, that's the orange that I'm gonna be going with. There's Dax and Reggie. Say hi, boys. Hey. This is one of those videos that nobody really wants to watch, but if you watch it, hey, that's awesome. I appreciate it. So I had painted this that neon green, and it looked like garbage. So I just painted that orange right over it. And this is what I'm using, just some Rust-Oleum, the better of the, not the 2X, but the, I don't know, it's not professional, of course, but it's got a decent amount of gloss to it, and readily available, so I'm sure it's going to get all chipped up and whatnot. So I've got that side over there, and then I've got my I got my sheet for my roof yesterday. I picked that up for $30. I got to cut it down, and I'll probably paint that orange also. Probably screw it to the top. I'll have to bend it and cut it and screw it, paint it. Not necessarily in that order. Probably paint and then screw and bend, or bend and then screw. Bend, paint, screw. I don't know. We'll find out. Picked up these ammo cans for some storage, got those on sale at Harbor Freight for cheap, and I think they were like $8. So I was gonna go with the metal ones, but they're about twice as much, and these have a provision on them to put a padlock. So I went with those because, you know, I mean, it's not like somebody can't just rip the whole top off of it and take whatever's inside, but at least they would have to go to that trouble. I'm not too worried about it. I'm not going to be keeping anything overly valuable in there, but I bought a couple of those. So those will wind up going right back here. Something like that. Right back in there, and I'll screw it to it. Bought that little toolbox, hoping it was going to fit back here, but it just doesn't. So that sucks. But I got these two little ammo cams, so I'll have to take that back. Really kind of sucks because of the diamond plate, and it kind of matches the floor. You know what I mean? It matches the other diamond plate stuff, but it is what it is. But that's what I'm working on. Just a bunch of sanding. Like I said, that's the paint I'm going to be using, and we're just going to roll it and brush it, and it's just going to kind of be whatever it is. It's going to be fun, I guess, except for all that tubing in there is going to royally suck. Yeah, this is not going to be fun. This is going to suck. And sanding it is just sucking. All that stuff in there is going to suck. You know, down in there and back in there, under there. Yeah, it's just going to be a whole lot of suck. But I guess this is an update. It's about as far as I've gotten. I had to throw an alternator in the Corvair earlier, so bound to happen. But got to be able to get them back and forth to work. So that's what we're looking at. I was thinking about throwing a little paint on the front end here tonight, but probably not. I'm just gonna keep sanding slowly but surely. I'm basically just using this scratch pad here and scuffing it up. I'm really not trying to make this into a showpiece, so it's going to have nicks and all that kind of stuff. I just want it to be able to bond to the tubing, and that's what we're going for. So if I can get it mostly black, it'll be easy to touch up. Like I said, I just hate this color. That's it. So I hate the color, and spring's coming, and I don't want to be driving around looking like trash. So that's it. That's all we're doing tonight. You guys have a good one. It's Sunday night. My driver did not win the Daytona 500 like I was hoping, and that really sucks. But hey, man, Ross, next time you'll get it. Just got caught up in some weird stuff and got caught speeding, and it is what it is, man. I guess you just either win or you don't, and he didn't. So Jimmy Johnson got wrecked out. Sad to see that, but hey, man, it's racing. So anyways, you guys have a good night. I'm gonna do this a little bit, and then we'll come back with some more updates. If you guys like these updates, cool. If you don't, I'll be able to tell by the views. But if you like them, leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you don't like them, I won't do them. But I just tend to fiddle fart around out in the garage, and I don't get in too big of a hurry. So that's just kind of the way I roll. I like hanging out, watching some TV, and just doing whatever. So, but we'll give you some updates, and I'll shut up and let you go do something important. So, have a good night. Toodaloo.